Hello friends, welcome to MNP Guru. In this video, we will tell you that how you can buy LIC policies online. During the period of lockdown, many of you will be thinking to buy LIC policies online, and in this video, we will tell you about the policies, the detail of the policies, and also the benefits of the policies. So let's start the video to get the information. Friends, if you haven't subscribed the channel till now, do subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of all the upcoming videos on this channel. During the lockdown period, you can buy 5 LIC policies from LIC website, that is licindia.in. When you will go to licindia.in, on the home page itself, on the right hand side, you will see a link of buy policy online, and you can buy 5 policies. The names is LIC's Nivesh Plus, SIIP, Tech Term, Jeevan Shanti and Cancer Cover. Let's see each policy one by one. The first policy is Nivesh Plus. The plan number is 849. It is a single premium ULIP plan, and the minimum premium which needs to be invested in this plan is 1 lakh rupees, and this policy can be purchased for a 3-month-old child, and the maximum age is 70 years. The term available for this policy is 10 to 25 years. The second policy is SIIP. The plan number is 852. It is a regular premium ULIP plan. The minimum premium to buy this policy is in a yearly mode rupees 40,000, in half yearly mode rupees 22,000, in quarterly mode rupees 12,000, and in monthly mode 4,000 rupees needed to be invested. The term available for this policy is also 10 to 25 years. The third policy is a Tech Term plan, 854 number. It is the only LIC plan which is only available in online mode. To buy this policy in an offline mode, you need to buy Jeevan Amar. This is the same plan like Tech Term only, but only the difference is that Tech Term is available online and Jeevan Amar is available offline. It is a term insurance, and the Tech Term plan is available for the age group of 18 to 65 years, and the term available is 10 to 40 years. And you can buy this policy by investing in a single premium mode, regular premium mode, and a limited premium mode. And the minimum sum assured available in this policy is 50 lakhs. The fourth plan is a Jeevan Shanti 850 plan. It is a single premium lifetime guaranteed pension plan. This plan is available to the age group of 30 to 100 years. The minimum single premium which needed to be invested is 1.5 lakhs. There is an option to take pensions. You can take pension in an immediate mode. Also, you can take pension in deferred mode. You can defer your premium for 1 to 20 years. And the fifth and the last policy available online is a cancer cover plan. The plan number is 905. It is a health insurance for all the cancer patient. Cancer patient means if you want to get a cover for cancer disease, then you can buy this plan. Anybody suffering from cancer cannot take this plan. Minimum sum assured is rupees 10 lakh and maximum sum assured is 50 lakhs. This plan is available for the age group between 20 to 65 years, and the term available in this plan is 10 to 30 years. So these are the 5 plans available online which you can buy from LIC website. If you want to get the details of all these plans, you can go to our other channel, MNP Knowledge School. All these plans are explained in detail, and you can watch it there. And if you like this video, do like it, and don't forget to share this video to your friends and families, and also subscribe the channel. Until next video, have a nice day. Keep smiling, stay home, stay safe.